They haven't gotten grown up yet. Now this is the cucumber pickle, or the lemon pickle, or whatever. Cucumber lemon. Lemon cucumber, I guess. Now,
and this is kale.
Yes, it is kale. Good job.
And that's more kale. That's more kale too.
Thinned out the comfrey a little bit because
and
over
that's
here
kale. That's big kale.
We have tomatoes.
Those are dandelions over there.
Those aren't dandelions. Those are calendula.
But what about the dandelions? Are there any dandelions?
Well, I don't think there's any dandelions right here. There's some, maybe, oh well, there's some right there. They just don't have dandelions on them right now.
I want the dandelions that have dandelions on them.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, the peppers have some blossoms on them. We have some dill in this little garden. And we have tomatoes. Yeah, you can have some dill. We have tomatoes. Can you see the tomato down there? Yes, you can.
Let me see.
We also have...
Oh, that's a big one.
Broccoli, look at that.
Broccoli, where's the broccoli?
Right there. See it? We're not going to pick it yet.
You can pick the kale though.
We also have some tomatoes, different kinds of tomatoes over here.
We can still eat the green tomatoes.
And
we can still eat these green tomatoes.
Yeah, but I don't want to eat them yet. I want them to grow. And we got, do we got any tomatoes on this plant? This is the Goliath plant, and it's got blossoms but no tomatoes. Right here we have, I believe this was the cayenne. No, this has to be the jalapeno, because the cayenne, yeah, this is the jalapeno, this is the cayenne. And as I told Abigail, these are the calendula, and we do have flowers blossoming here on, I saw some. We got flowers on the watermelon plants.
Can we pick some flowers for Mommy?
No, we're not taking the flowers from here because the flowers need to be here for the, you know, for the bees and stuff to pollinate.
Can you come with me for a moment?
Now this, I don't know, it looks like it might be another broccoli plant.
Yes,
and
it is another broccoli plant.
So that's our short garden update for July 18, 2021. Hope you enjoyed it. We don't have a huge garden over there. Hold on. I do have a few more things. Let's go over here. Over there we got some cherry tomatoes, and we got a zucchini plant that we just got a zucchini off of tonight, and there's some more banana peppers. Anyway, oh, and there's balloon flower and a cone flower. Those are the things for Mommy that the kids have taken ownership of.